Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Temu minimum spend limit. So the way you do this, you go to the website temu.com and then right here under customer support, click on support and then scroll all the way down. Click on contact us. So you click on this and then you are basically contacting them. Of course, make sure you are logged in. You can log in with your Google account or any other account. Once you're logged in, we'll basically be contacting customer support. And what I need you to type, I'll show you what you need to type. Now, scroll down, click on contact us, and then type in the chat box, remove minimum spend limit. Press enter and just follow the prompts from the bot, which will explain the reason for the limit. You want to continue by selecting whatever is applicable to your situation. After completing the steps, you'll see a confirmation message depending on your situation stating that the order limit has been removed. It's really that easy. This method works for most users and ensures you can place orders without worrying about the minimum spend. You can also try it on different devices or browsers if it doesn't work right away. Always make sure to double check that your account is fully verified before requesting the removal, as this can help prevent any delays. Following these steps carefully will save you time and make your shopping experience smoother. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and check out the frequently asked questions to make the most out of your Temu shopping experience. Don't forget to share this trick with friends who also want to shop smarter and faster.